I'm out here today fishing for dogfish. You might wonder why. Most people absolutely hate dogfish. They moan about them, they hate them, they call them all manner of things. You know, but this time of year, out here where I am at the moment, on the rough ground, the smooth hounds are kind of very few and far between. The thornbacks are very rare, the cod seem to have gone into hiding, and the bass aren't quite here. So, what's going to give me the most fun? Dogfish. You know, dogfish are what's about. Got a good tide running, 2-3 knots, so they're quite nice and heavy, they're pulling the rod over nicely, they're thrashing about a bit. So, here we have one little dogfish, little baby one, little puppy. Taking a whole squid and black lugworm, frozen black lugworm. He's swallowed me squid head. What a beautiful little thing. People are so nasty about them, you know. Right, let's get that off and then you can give him a nice smile. Got part of my worm there. I mean, look, you don't get a lot cuter than that. Look at his eye. Right, little fella, time for you to go home. 2 rods, 2 fish biting on each. Okay, take you first, because you've got a camera. Okay, decent pull. Good pull. Funny little bite. Tighten that drag, boy. Other rod going again. What we got? Hey, another dog. Jesus, you're pissed off, aren't you? Oh, dear me. Come on, calm down. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. You should love them too. They're lovely. They're fish, and they fight nice here, especially in this tide. Dogfish, lovely. Come on, open your eyes. Give them a smile. Smile. They don't burp. Smile. Oh. Well, I've gone from the dog to the hound. Beautiful little starry smooth hound. He's only a baby, only a pup. Perfect little shark. Got to give him a kiss now. Go on, in you go, my darling. Calmly, calmly. There. Oh, I've got a fish, got a fish. God, I'll tell you what, these fucking dogs are pulling like mad here. I mean, this is pulling right over like a fucking cod. You know, it's only a dog. And they all fucking say, they don't put up any fight. Well, my fucking rod has bent right over. Say again? Well, no, I mean, most of the kayaking boys are using £12. Sorry. Yes! I got a thorny! Ha ha! Baby! Ha ha! I love you! Ha ha! I'm gonna have your babies! Ha ha! Yes! Oh man! Man, I might even be able to get my wife into bed now. She loves these. Ah, yes, come on! This is her favourite. Come on, don't lose it. Don't fucking lose it. Thorny, thorny. On squid. Oh, yes.